So I'm going to be building a shelf that actually goes above this track for the garage door. I wasn't going to connect it to the ceiling and wall, but decided to make use of the heavy duty racks I have here, and just since gravity goes down, might as well use the legs that are right here. So with that problem, I can't just go up through the garage door right here. I have to go up, over, and back for the shelf. And then I'll be able to use this monster area right here, 2 foot high and about 7 feet long, for seasonal items that I just need to get out once a year, maybe twice a year. It'll be about 8 feet off the ground. So I worked out all the measurements for all the cuts I need to make. There's my parts list. 2x2 angle iron. Here's the angle iron I'll be using. Brand new stock. Here's a saw that will be doing all the cutting. A 14-inch Evolution cold cut saw. So we're gonna be trimming off the end here. So I'm marking off all the areas we got cut. Right. So now we're gonna make the main shelves. There, that's square. So I have the shelf all built now. It's 8 feet long, 2 feet wide. Then I have the gap here where the garage door will come in at. And this is the offset piece. Should be plenty to support a heavy load. I'll be putting that chipboard, 1/2-inch chipboard, and have some 2x4s going across to support it. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing up in here. Alright, got all of the bolts started. They're just finger tight. This is a notch where the garage door goes through here. Everything fit nice like a glove. So now we're gonna tighten everything down. So there you have it, shelf installed. Of course, without the wood on the inside there. That'll come on in just a little bit. Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna do the other side here. So these are all the cross members, 23 3/4. These will be the sides to make a little wooden frame where the plywood sits on top of. All right, all done. Looks good. Out. Going pretty solid. So that concludes building these shelves for above the garage. Got one on each side now.